Hey guys, Brett here, County Garage 207. Probably wondering what you're looking at. Why do I have this drill looking thing on top of my motor? Well, when I was bolting on this cylinder head a couple weeks ago on this side, I was doing my final torque pass and I heard a big pop when I was doing this hole right here. Sure enough, it pulled the threads out of the block. At first I had thought that it stripped the threads off the ARP bolt, and then no. I pulled it back out and sure enough the threads were gone out of the block. So what this is a mag drill from Vevor, and what I need to do is first I need to cover this up so I don't get metal shavings and everything. I need to drill this hole out, and I'm going to tap it and then put what's called a time sert in there. A lot of you guys know what helicoil is. A lot of people don't know what a time sert is. A time sert is an actual, instead of helicoil, you can take it and bend it like a slinky. A time sert is a solid piece. It's threaded on the outside and it's threaded with the correct size on the inside. And it comes in a kit that has a drill bit to drill that out to the correct size. And it has a counter bore. Oh, let me just find it. Hang on a second. What do I do with that? Wrong kit. I'm looking through the tools for the Vevor. The mag drill. This is a time sert kit. It says time sert in the front. What you get inside, don't mind this. Doesn't go to that. What it comes with. This is I don't know if I can get close enough here. This is a time sert. It's a solid piece instead of like your helicoil. It's a slinky, or like a slinky, I should say. What it comes with the tap. The tap to do it. And then it comes with this countersink. It sinks it so that the head of the time sert is below the deck surface. And then this spreads out the bottom of the time sert so that it can't back out. But what you do, and you'll see me do it, is when I go to put the time sert in, I'm going to cover it in red Loctite. That way it doesn't come out. But that tool, what it does, it actually expands so this right here on point is the bottom of it that goes down in the block. That will actually expand it out so it can't move, or at least it shouldn't. Why do I have different drill bits in here? Oh yeah, this is the drill bit. This is the drill bit for the correct size to do it. You want to make sure, I got a mag drill because I want to make sure I was 90 degrees to the block. This does have a little bit of run out in it, but I'm not too concerned because I know it'll be straight. It's not going to be, cocked off to one side back and forth. If the hole is a little off by a couple thou, it's okay because it's not going to get into the fire ring. It's going to just miss it as far as I can tell. At least I'm hoping. Yeah, well, the fire ring's like right there. So it should just miss the fire ring. And yeah, we're going to get it done. Let me get set up here. I want to put something over this. I'm going to use masking paper for auto body so I don't get metal shavings all throughout my motor, and then I will be right back. Okay, let me get you in here. Show you guys what I'm doing. So what this just did, see it? Come on, focus, focus, focus. You see how my finger looks huge in this. Right there. See how that there's teeth on the inside? This actually, or the end of my fingernail, is that stops it. That right there cuts it down to the correct height. So that way your time sert isn't sticking up above that hole. The head bolts on a small block Chevy are, I don't know about when they went to the one-piece rear main seal, but the old two-piece rear main seal, they're 7/16 by 14 bolts. Which this is not a 7/16 by 14, it's a little bit bigger. This is specifically a time sert, so I can't actually tell you what it is. Okay, that looks to me, it's going to be a, let's see here. That tapped that beautifully. That worked really well. So now what I need to do is, this is the installation tool. Is one of it open? Should be. Attention, use oil on insert driver. Okay, we'll do. It says in the instructions what you want to do is put it to the bottom of the hole. I don't know if it means on the insert itself. Okay. Yeah, so you want to put it to the bottom of that hole. I'm supposed to, I'll take this out of the way. Okay, I'm all done with the mag drill. Put that down. I'll get this out of the way. I don't remember where I left you off. I think it was after I'd finished tapping the hole. I've taken a time sert and I've covered it in red Loctite, the gel kind. And then I've taken the installation tool and I marked, it says in the instructions not to let it go beneath the bottom of the hole. I don't know. So, I'm going to listen to the instructions, I guess. So now all I'm doing, threading it in the block. That's all there is to it. You just drive down in there. You can see I got to clean up the red Loctite that's around the hole. And actually, hang on. Let me show you what it looks like. Camera off the tripod. So it looks like all installed. It's pretty simple. Like I said, this isn't really exactly a how-to video. It's more for entertainment on my channel. Well, if you like this video, click like, leave me a comment, subscribe. I don't know if my channel does that whole hype button thing, but I guess hit that too maybe. And I'll see you guys next time.